I am teaching planning and strategic management for the students for the last a decade or so. This has become a matter of little bit confusion for the student to understand the clear difference between vision statement and mission statement. Not only for the students, even for the working managers, it is a matter of low bit confusion to differentiate clearly between vision statement and the mission statement. Many key people are involved in drafting strategic plan of the company. For them also it is most important. I am Syed Riaz, lecturer in management, and I am trying to explain the clear differentiation between vision statement and mission statement in a very lucid manner. Hope you will enjoy it. Basis of difference, vision statement and mission statement. Timeline. A vision statement focuses on tomorrow and what an organization wants to ultimately become. The vision is always forward thinking, and because of this, it cannot be used for the day to day operations of the company. Whereas a mission statement focuses on day to day activities of the organization, and it speaks about what an organization does to achieve it. It talks about what do we do, whom do we serve, how do we serve them. Uses. Vision statement is a clear definitive statement of what you want to accomplish and what the world looks like once you have accomplished your mission. Unlike the mission statement, a vision statement is future oriented. It provides a sense of what the company values to those both inside the company and out. Whereas the mission statement of a company is a declaration of what they do every day. It is very much embedded in the strategic plans and operations plans of the company. If you want to develop a strategic plan of the company, you need to know the mission statement of the organization. It defines the day-to-day activities of their work, and every person who works for the organization contributes to that mission. It is present focused and can change very quickly depending on the circumstances of the business market. Before going to the next statement, let us see the vision statement and mission statement of Toyota Car Company in USA. Vision statement of Toyota Car Company in USA: to be the most successful and respected car company in America. Look here, to be the most successful and respected car company in America, to become most respected car company, to build the reputations, it takes a fairly longer and longer time. Whereas the mission statement of Toyota Car Company in USA: to attract and attain customers with high valued products and services and the most satisfying ownership experience in America. Another difference, purpose. The basis of difference is here is purpose, what it does, what vision statement does and what mission statement does. Vision statement, at times some companies will use their vision statement for their public relation purposes, for public relation activities. The vision statement gives the company direction because it describes the future of the business. It emphasizes the organization's overall purpose. The vision statement is about what you want to become. It is meant to be aspirational. Whereas mission statement is used for internal and external customers. The mission statement drives the company. Look here, the vision statement gives the company direction. Okay, go this way, that way. And the mission statement is like a driver for the company. It drives the company. It outlines both what you and what comprises the core of the businesses. And from this, objectives are made clear, followed finally by what it takes to reach those objectives. A strong mission statement is one that motivates a team to consistently advance towards a common goal. Let us have another a good example of vision and mission statement of TED company. TED, we believe passionately in the power of ideas to change attitudes, lives, and ultimately the world. Look here how beautifully the vision statement of TED is crafted. They believe passionately in the power of ideas to change the attitudes, lives, and ultimately the world. Changing the attitude of the whole world towards a particular goal is amazing. It takes longer and longer time. It may take another 25 years, 40 years, 50 years, the vision. The long range, what you call the strategy, looking too much forward. That is the vision of TED. What is its mission? The TED mission to spread ideas in a simple demonstration of how they serve. The vision is all about impact, how spreading ideas invokes changes in the world. If you have a look on the TED presentations, you will feel it. Each and every presentation is number one in TED, and each and every presentation is creating a vision in all the impacts, and it spreads the ideas and it invokes change in the world. Invokes, it appeals other people to follow the same type of presentation, hi-fi presentation. That is the mission of the TED. Now let us have a difference between vision and mission statement based on how it is crafted. This slide is very much important for the people who are involved in creating strategic plan. If the people are involved in creating strategic plan of the organization, they need to know how the vision and mission should be crafted, how the vision and mission should be written. So this is an important skills all managers need to know. How it is crafted? Vision statement. A vision statement is a short description of an organization's aspirations, what they want to achieve for a longer and longer time. That is the aspirations. A vision statement is a short description of an organization's aspirations and the wider impact it aims to create. A vision statement is meant to be clear, definitive statement of what an organization wants to accomplish and what the world will look like once they have accomplished that mission. Vision gives directions to drive. Questions that guides vision statements include, while writing vision statements or while drafting vision statements, we have to focus on three important points. What are our hopes and dreams for the company? Like a person is dreaming, every company is dreaming to become a highly reputed company. So what are our hopes and dreams for the company? What problems are we solving for the greater goods? Vision is for the greater populations. This is focusing on billions of the people, billions of the population. Who and what are we inspiring to change? Here they have to specify what they are inspiring to change. Then mission statement, how we write mission statement, how we draft mission statement, how we craft mission statement. A mission statement is a short summary of an organization's core purpose, focus and aims. It used to focus on the core objective or the grand objectives of the company. This usually is comprised of a brief description of what the organization does and its key objectives. Every company used to have hundreds of objectives. Among these hundreds of objectives, 5 objectives will be the key objectives. 3 objectives will be the key objectives. Mission statement focuses on those key objectives. It often takes shapes as a declaration of what an organization does every day, defining the day-to-day activities of work, and each person who works for the organization contributes to the overall mission. Questions that guides mission statement includes: if you are writing mission statement or crafting mission statement, we have to focus on 3 important questions. What do we do? What the organization is doing? Whom do we serve? Who are the broad customers, internal and external customers of the organization? How do we serve them? How do we make them most satisfied? Maybe internal customers or external customers. Mission statement establish a framework for the behavior of those working in the company. It focuses on the behavior of the people working on the company, and they want to change the behavior of the employees on a specific goal. It often starting with a declaration such as: we provide maybe services, maybe product. We offer maybe service or product. We are number 1 in the kingdom, number 1 in the country, number 1 in the world, something like that. Because of its reference to the everyday activities of the company, mission statements can often be used as a basis for performance standard. These mission statements can be used for KPI also, and can guide employees at various levels of the company in their decision making. And most probably we use mission statement to draft strategic plan also. With the diagram also you can make out vision. It gives directions to achieve greater good of the customers. Vision is giving the direction, whereas the mission, it shows how to drive the company with the proper strategies. This slide is very much important for the people who are really interested in creating vision and mission of their company. Most of the time, an ordinary employee, people working in the floor level, they think it is not needed for them. Vision and mission is not related to them. Here in these slides, I want to specify why vision statement and mission statement is important for the employees. Vision statement, it gives directions to the employees why they want to work in a particular organization. Some organization benefits includes lifelong pension for self and dependents, permanent housing, huge end of service benefit. These employees align their personal vision with the company not to miss anything. Look here. Some people, they want to work in government organization because they know the vision of the government organization. The vision of the government organization and the vision of the employee is matching, because the person who want to work in the government organization, he want lifelong pension for himself as well as his dependents. Some people's vision is to build a dream house. They choose a company which gives permanent housing, like Royal Commission in Saudi Arabia. There are some companies, they give huge end of service benefit. So most of the employees, they focus on the huge end of service benefit, like Aramco in Saudi Arabia or ADNOC in Emirates. So the vision of the company and the employee is somewhere else matching. That's why employees need to know the vision and mission of the company. Mission statement, why they need to know? Mission statements gives employees to work in a synergetic way, either as a team or as a member of management team, to achieve organizational missions. To achieve organizational mission, It is not a job of a single person. It is not a job of only top managers. It is to achieve the organizational mission. It is not the job of only a specific level of managers. It is the job of all the employees. It is the biggest of the biggest teamwork of the organization. At every level, we used to have teams, and these teams work on the mission of the organization. That's why each and every employee, they need to know what their company want. So it makes their work more easy and more comfortable. Vision to make their dreams successful with commitment. Look here, the vision of the company and the vision of the employee is coinciding. Because of a lot of benefit given by the company, as which I have listed here, lifelong pension, permanent housing, huge end of service benefit. With this, the employee is creating his own vision. Whereas when we talk about missions, it guides how to work as a team to achieve organizational objectives. Now, next slide, a very good example. It is almost liked by employees as well as employer. Another good example, that is of LinkedIn vision and mission. What is the vision and mission of LinkedIn? Vision of LinkedIn company to create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. See how beautiful their vision is there. Their vision is longer and longer and longer. To create economic opportunities to every member of the global workforce. They are not talking the workforce of a single company. They are not talking workforce of a single company. Maybe they are not talking of 1 million workforce. They are talking about the global workforce. Out of 7 billion people, 2 billion people comes under global workforce. See their vision. Amazing. Mission of the LinkedIn. They want to connect the world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. They want to connect not American professionals, not African professionals, not Middle East professionals. They want to connect world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. Their target is connecting the professionals throughout the globe. Another interesting vision I do not want to miss here for your knowledge, that's about Google. Let us see what is the vision and mission of Google. Vision of Google to provide access to the world's information in one click. This is amazing. I like this. Google want to give you information at one click. Everybody is using search engine. Do you get your required information at one click today? Sometimes we get it. Sometimes you need to have 10 clicks. Sometimes you need to have 15 clicks. Whatever the information you are putting, you may not get in Google. Sometimes you spend half of the hour or 1 hour to get some information in Google. Now their vision is they want to give information, access to the information just at one click. This vision will take maybe 25 to 50 years. It is most challenging vision. Let us see what is the mission of the Google. Mission of the Google to organize world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. They want to provide information to global users, to everybody. There is no discrimination at all. So that is the vision and mission of Google. Now, I want to share my experience how to write your personal vision and mission. We know about the vision and missions of the company. In the same manner, you can also create vision, individual visions for your own self. I have chosen two best examples for personal visions. One of the example I am giving you, personal vision and mission. Personal vision, you can write personal vision this way also. I will be caring and loving leader in my family and available for those who need me. I will lead, educate and inspire all who I work with. Look here, this vision take longer and longer time, and it's something like the objective of life, lifelong objective, to lead, to educate and to inspire all with whom I am working. It is a never ending vision, long range strategy. Personal mission, to make this vision practical, we need to have personal mission. I inspire others with my actions. I give before I receive. I create welcoming home. I will read, write and learn, and I will honor my commitment. To make personal vision practical, we need to have mission statement. How to make this vision practical? We need to answer the questions how, why and when. Another best personal vision which I want to share with you, most of the people in Asian countries, American countries, African countries and European countries who are far away from Mecca and Medina, they have this personal vision. The personal vision, I will perform Hajj in a lifetime, because it is a lifetime goal for many people who are not in the kingdom. I will perform Hajj in a lifetime and become a totally religious person and set an example for the community. The larger interest, he want to serve the community. Personal mission, how he can achieve this vision. For some people it is very difficult. People who are living in Asian countries, American countries, African countries and European countries, 2 billion Muslims are there. For these 2 billion Muslims, it is not an easy task to perform Hajj. So that is why they used to have this type of vision. To make this dream happen, vision, they need to have personal mission. I fulfill all the responsibilities of my family and near relatives. I perform prayer in time. I pay zakat to the needy and poor. I will read and learn more about my religion. I will gain spiritual satisfaction, and my sole objective will be to follow Quran and Sunnah. And whatever the deeds I do for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. See, this could be a personal vision for a big number of people. This is the end of this presentation. If you want to share your opinion, if you want to share your suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box of my video. Thank you.